MetaMaterials has entered a stock sale agreement worth $50 million, so is this a good thing for the stock and should you buy? Keep watching as we take you through all the details, but before we do that, subscribe to our channel $1 World for regular MMAT stock updates. MetaMaterials Inc., or Meta, a leader in advanced materials and nanotechnology, has recently made a significant move by entering into a common stock purchase agreement with Lincoln Park Capital Fund LLC, or LPC, an institutional investor based in Chicago. This agreement has the potential to provide Meta with up to $50 million in capital over a 30-month period. Let's dive deeper into the details and implications of this strategic move. Under the terms of the agreement, Meta has the right to sell, and LPC has committed to purchasing shares of the company's common stock. The key feature of this arrangement is that the purchase price of these shares will be based on the prevailing market price at the time of each sale to LPC. This flexible pricing mechanism allows Meta to secure capital while optimizing the terms of the transactions. Furthermore, Meta retains full control over the timing and volume of the stock sales, subject to certain restrictions outlined in the agreement, including adherence to NASDAQ listing rules. One noteworthy aspect of this deal is that there are no upper limits imposed on the price per share that LPC may pay. This absence of a ceiling on the share price underscores LPC's confidence in Meta's potential for growth and success. In addition, LPC has committed not to engage in any direct or indirect short selling or hedging activities involving Meta's common stock. This commitment aligns with the goal of fostering a stable and positive market environment for Meta's shares. It's important to emphasize that this transaction does not involve any warrants, derivatives, or other share classes. This simplicity in the agreement structure reflects a straightforward and transparent financial agreement between Meta and LPC. George Polykaris, Chief Executive Officer and President of MetaMaterials Inc., expressed enthusiasm about this partnership, highlighting the financial flexibility it provides. He emphasized that this capital infusion will enable Meta to stay focused on expanding its capabilities and supporting the development of next-generation solutions in key markets. Additionally, it will support the commercialization of Meta's extensive portfolio of nanotechnology and advanced material patents and products through strategic partnerships. One of the notable features of this agreement is Meta's right to terminate it at any time without incurring any cost or penalty. This provision gives Meta the freedom to reassess its capital needs and make strategic decisions aligned with its growth and development strategy. To secure LPC's commitment to purchasing shares of common stock, Meta has agreed to pay LPC a commitment fee of $1 million. This fee is to be paid in 2 installments and serves as consideration for LPC's commitment. For investors and stakeholders seeking a comprehensive understanding of the agreement, Meta has provided a detailed description of the agreement in its current report on Form 8-K, which was filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission on September 11, 2023. This report contains essential information about the terms, conditions, and implications of the agreement. Meta also made it clear that this press release should not be construed as an offer to sell or solicit an offer to buy these securities. Furthermore, the sale of these securities will not take place in any jurisdiction where such actions will be unlawful prior to complying with the securities laws of that jurisdiction. The offering of these securities is being made in accordance with the company's effective shelf registration statement and the related base prospectus included in the registration statement. Additionally, a prospectus supplement will be filed with the SEC around September 11, 2023, providing further details about the offering. Interested parties can obtain copies of the prospectus supplement and accompanying prospectus from the SEC's website. In summary, MetaMaterials Inc.'s agreement with Lincoln Park Capital Fund LLC represents a strategic move to secure up to $50 million in capital, providing Meta with financial flexibility and resources to pursue its ambitious goals in the advanced materials and nanotechnology space. This partnership is underpinned by a transparent and flexible framework that benefits both parties and aligns with Meta's vision for the future. As Meta continues to innovate and expand its capabilities, this capital injection positions the company for growth and success in key markets. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Let's see how the MMAT stock is performing in the market. On September 12, 2023, MetaMaterials Inc. MMAT exhibited the following stock performance metrics. The stock opened at $0.2180, reached a high of $0.2200, touched a low of $0.2107, and closed at $0.2134, with a trading volume of 7.19 million shares. The stock's market capitalization stood at approximately $101.85 million. Notably, MMAT's stock recorded a 52-week range between $0.1730 and $2.3400. Unfortunately, the stock faced a 0.52% decline today. Several factors might be contributing to this downturn. Firstly, the broader market sentiment appeared negative, as evidenced by a 0.35% decrease in the S&P 500 index. Additionally, MMAT stock has been on a consistent downward trend over the past year, potentially eroding investor confidence. Furthermore, the company recently issued a going concern warning, signifying a concern about its ability to continue operating as a going concern, which can create uncertainty and negatively impact stock prices. Lastly, MMAT has a substantial level of short interest, indicating that more shares have been shorted than are readily available for shorting. This high level of short interest can exert downward pressure on the stock's price, potentially leading to the observed decline. In this complex landscape, MMAT's stock performance is influenced by a combination of internal and external factors, making it essential for investors to carefully evaluate the broader market conditions and the company's financial health when considering their investment decisions. For those of you who don't know Lincoln Park Capital Fund, Lincoln Park Capital Fund LLC or LPC is a notable provider of adaptable institutional financing solutions, primarily catering to publicly traded companies, with a particular focus on those listed on the NASDAQ and NYSE American stock exchanges. It's essential to acknowledge that the information provided here might not encompass the latest developments or shifts related to LPC. LPC is widely recognized for its innovative investment strategy, often referred to as a purchase agreement or equity line of credit. Under this arrangement, LPC commits to purchasing a predetermined quantity of a company's common stock over a specific period, offering the company a valuable source of capital. What sets this approach apart is its flexibility, as the company retains discretion over when and how it utilizes this financial resource. The purchase price in these transactions typically entails a discount to the prevailing market price, making it an attractive financing option for many companies. LPC primarily targets its investments towards small to mid-cap publicly traded companies. The specific investment amount can vary significantly, depending on the terms mutually agreed upon by LPC and the company seeking funding. To safeguard its investments, LPC structures each deal with predefined terms and conditions, which can include restrictions on share sales and other protective measures. A notable aspect of LPC's investment strategy is its diversification across various industries. LPC's investment portfolio historically spans sectors such as technology, healthcare, and biotechnology, ensuring a broad and varied scope of investments. This diversification allows LPC to navigate different market conditions and capitalize on opportunities across multiple industries. Due to the nature of its investment approach, which often involves acquiring shares at a discount to prevailing market prices, LPC's investments can influence market sentiment and contribute to fluctuations in the stock prices of the companies it invests in. Investors and analysts closely monitor LPC's investments, recognizing their potential impact on trading sentiment. In some instances, as part of their agreements with LPC, companies may compensate LPC with a commitment fee. This fee serves as a form of recognition and compensation for LPC's commitment to purchasing the company's shares, reflecting its role as a flexible and supportive funding partner. It's important to keep in mind that the specific terms and conditions of LPC's investments can vary between agreements, and these details are typically not publicly disclosed unless mentioned in company filings or press releases. Online stakeholders and Twitter users are expressing growing confidence in MMAT stock, believing that it has the potential for an upward trajectory. This optimism is often fueled by various factors, including positive developments within the company, strategic partnerships, and technological advancements in the field of advanced materials and nanotechnology, which are areas where MetaMaterials Inc. specializes. Additionally, the recent agreement with Lincoln Park Capital Fund LLC to access up to $50 million in capital has garnered attention and suggests a path to financial stability and growth. While market dynamics can be unpredictable, the sentiment among these stakeholders and Twitter users reflects a bullish outlook for MMAT stock in the foreseeable future. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.